Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, we will show you the complete walkthrough of our Vtiger CRM Duplicate Check extension. Vtiger Duplicate Check will effectively check and detect any duplicate data in your CRM records before it was created. First, configure the settings for the duplicate check by navigating to the settings icon. Select CRM settings and then click on Other settings. Now click on Duplicate Check. Enable the duplicate check by toggling the icon in the right corner. Choose the specific module for which you want to set up duplicate check rules. Click on the double arrows corresponding to the fields you wish to include in the duplicate check. I have selected the last name field and email field for duplicate checks. To enable cross-checking, mark the For Cross-Check box. This feature works for email and phone field types. Cross-duplicate detection is supported for leads, contacts, and organization modules. After configuring the duplicate check rules, remember to save your changes. Let's check out how the duplicate check works. Now I am creating a contact with the existing name. On entering the last name field, it will instantly pop out an alert that the last name already exists. Now I am entering the email address. It shows that it already exists in the Leads module. Thus, the duplicate check will detect duplicates of the same module as well as cross-check duplicates from other modules with the configured fields. Now, keep your CRM data clean and duplicate-free with the Vtiger CRM Duplicate Checker. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.